Good morning, Facebook, YouTube. This is Daryl Worthy with Excellence Janitorial Services, Carpet Cleaning in Bakersfield. I'm over here at the Bakersfield Parent Nursery, and we're getting ready to do a job. I'm going to show you what we're doing, and as I have everything all set up, the Bakersfield Parent Nursery. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to clean this rug, these two rugs out here, and these other three area rugs out here. Got my machine running. I'm going to be running the Master Blend El Diablo. I have everything all set up, ready to go. I have me a change of shoes in my van, so I can change once I start cleaning, because if I just don't want to get the shoes wet that I have on from the walking on the carpet and the moisture. Got all my chemicals up in my chemical rack. Whatever I need, I got it. So we're going to go inside, take a look. And this is a volunteer nursery. So all of the parents that want their kids to participate in the class, all they have to do is volunteer and come over here and put in the time. So we're going to clean this carpet right here. Look like they have a little water spot. That's no big deal. We're going to clean this carpet over here as well. Carpet's going to come out great. I'm going to get ready to pre-vacuum before I start. Now, this is the reason why we came out, is because I think they made cookies or something and they waste this grease. It was a grease spot in the carpet, and I don't know, I think the roof might have leaked water down too. So we're going to clean that up for them. No big deal. We could take care of that. Then we're going to clean all this. As a matter of fact, we strip and wax these floors about once a year. So they need us to come back and do them again, and they just request that, and we'll come out and take care of them. So then we're going to come over here and we're going to clean the carpet in this room. Normally we take the furniture out and clean wall to wall, but she asked me today to just clean around everything because it's not dirty next to the walls where the furniture is sitting. Here we come over here, and then we're going to do this room right here. This is a olefin type carpet, and we have an olefin cleaner for this carpet. Glue down, no padding. Got everything all set up outside. Ready to rock and roll. Yep. So I want to say thank you for watching. It's Daryl Worthy with Excellence Janitorial and Carpet Cleaning in Bakersfield. See you on the next one. That's the church around the area. Got a nice little playground over here on this side. Real nice.